Step inside a thoughtfully transformed period home, where bespoke details, a serene palette, and layered design create a light-filled retreat that blends modern luxury with everyday comfort. HAM, a family-run architecture and interior design practice based in Oxfordshire, is renowned for its distinctive approach to interior design, which beautifully marries classic country house styling with a modern eclecticism. For this home project, HAM Interiors undertook a significant transformation. They ingeniously reconfigured the period property, introducing a basement kitchen and a second-floor extension to create a light and airy family home. Working in close collaboration with the homeowners, they crafted bespoke bathrooms featuring custom-made vanities and designed a unique HAM kitchen complete with a separate pantry. The interior design for this project embraces a refined color palette of greens, pinks, and grays, which serves as a subtle backdrop for HAM's signature layered eclecticism. This project exemplifies their commitment to creating meticulously well-considered, comfortable, and high-quality interiors that seamlessly integrate with modern family life. It offers a peaceful city retreat that balances modern luxury with natural comfort and flow. In this home project, HAM Interiors meticulously orchestrated a sophisticated yet comfortable living environment, blending classic country house aesthetics with a distinct contemporary edge. The design narrative for this project revolved around maximizing light and creating a sense of spaciousness within the period mews house, which was achieved through clever spatial planning. A key aspect of the transformation was the addition of a basement kitchen and a second-floor extension, which significantly opened up the property. The Bespoke HAM kitchen is a highlight, designed with a focus on functionality and style, and complemented by a dedicated pantry to ensure a clutter-free main space. Similarly, the custom-made vanities in the bespoke bathrooms underscore HAM's attention to detail and their commitment to tailoring every element to the client's needs.